Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have an easy cleanup after making stovetop mashed potatoes. You know how hard it is sometimes to wash the pot out after you've made the mashed potatoes, especially if you let them sit in the pot for a little bit, like after you eat, and then come back to clean it. So I'm just gonna show you a couple things you can do to have a very easy cleanup from making stovetop mashed potatoes. We're gonna make this right here. And this is not a cooking video. This is really just some tips on how to have an easy cleanup. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give us a like, that'd be great. We'd appreciate that. And we promise we won't spam you if you do subscribe to our channel. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the hot water off the stove that we boiled. And this recipe calls for 2 cups. And we're actually going to, instead of making it in the pot, we're going to pour the boiling water into the serving bowl. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pour the potatoes into the hot water. And now, another tip, don't use the whisk. It's a lot harder to clean the whisk. Just go ahead and use a fork. It's going to be easier to clean that. So we're going to go ahead and put our mix in. Like I said, this is not a video on how to make potatoes, but just how to give yourself an easy cleanup after making stovetop mashed potatoes. And you'll see that potatoes getting thick already. So as you see, doing it this way, the pot stays clean. It's not gonna be hard to clean your pot whatsoever. You haven't used the whisk. Whisks are hard to clean. You just got the fork. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how you can make stovetop mashed potatoes with very easy cleanup. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. And as always, have a great day. Thank you.